Have I gone mad? Probably. I think I might have over-ordered on the little plastic ducks. Oop. You know when you do that thing where you've ordered a load and you forget, so you order some more? Yeah. Anyway, we're going to do something with this lot today. And something useful. And something also very, very simple. Right, let's do something. This is the mould we're going to be using. Now, if you're feeling confused, watch this space. You'll have to wait till the end. Right, the reason I put this sheet of glass on here, and it's conveniently about the right size, is that I want to tip this up. So, to tip it up, I'm going to get some silicone bungs. These should do it. And I'm using silicone bungs because they're grippy, so it won't keep sliding around. When you're watching this, let me know at what point you suddenly thought, oh, I know what she's making. I'll just be intrigued to know at which point you realise what it is. I'm only going to make one. I'm going to use this cavity here. So let's move the camera up. Because I only need one. Is that another clue? Resin I'm using is Apex High Gloss. So we're going to end up with a little bit of depth here, but not too much. And it should cure beautifully. It always does. Never lets me down, this stuff. Medium viscosity. It's warm in my room today, so I bet this will be cured in about 8 to 10 hours. It's meant to be more like 16, 18. You know, I usually leave it overnight. It's one of those. But I wouldn't be at all surprised if I can demold this a bit early today, because it is lovely warm spring morning. I'll put a bit of resin in first. Just a bit. And chuck a load of ducks in. Sorry, ducks. Just wanted to get some resin in first to see how far up the mould this goes when full of ducks. I'm not sure how many ducks I need to put in. That might be about it, actually. Crikey, I did over-order on the duck front. And really wants the ducks, by the way. They're from Temu. They do frogs as well in the same range. So just going to pat those down. Don't know whether we want to go quite up that far, actually. You'll see why. I am creating a wedge shape. Are you getting enough clues here? Right. Top it up. And I don't care if there are a few bubbles get trapped in between the ducks. And you'll see why when you see what the use for this is. The mystery deepens, eh? But I do need to completely cover the ducks. Let's see if I've got my angle about right here. The angle of the dangle, you know. So I'm going to move the ducks around a little bit. See if not, we'll try to release some of the bubbles that are in there. But I don't mind if there's a few. Just do need the ducks to be under, that's all. Or pretty much under. They don't have to be totally, but pretty much under. Have you guessed yet? Please let me know. At what point did you actually guess what the heck I was doing? Let's see if I can give you some more clues. At this end, it is that deep. What's that? Not even a centimetre, is it? It's not even half a centimetre, and that might be too deep. This end, nice and chunky. What are you thinking, folks? Have you got it yet? Do you know what it is yet? So, I'll see you later and all will be revealed. Hi everyone. Throughout March, I'll be taking part in the Motor Neurone Disease Association's Craft in March event. It's a fundraiser for the association. There'll be some information coming up here. Now, if you'd like to support me in doing this event, then I will put the link down below. Any donations made via my Buy Me a Coffee link throughout March will go completely to the charity. So they sent me this. I've ticked off 2 days already, as you can probably see. I won't be posting a video up every day, of course, because some projects will take a couple of days. But I will show you my progress. I'll be putting out videos regularly so you can enjoy the videos I make throughout this challenge. Now, I craft a lot, but even for me, every day is a bit of a challenge because, yeah, I still have other things to do some days, like go to work at the museum. Or mum duty and things like that. So it is going to be a bit of a challenge. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and thank you so much in advance for all your donations. The link for the Buy Me a Coffee is down below, and I will, if I can work out how to do it, put the QR code on the screen for those watching on telly too. And also I will, of course, keep you updated on progress via my community tab. And also at the end of the period, I will total it all up and let you know how much we've raised to send straight on to the charity. I hope you enjoy the videos I make with this one, folks. Do shout up if you have any questions. The comments below will always get to me, so please do. So that's what's going on. So right now, back to the main video. Anyway, look at this, look at this, look at this. Yes, I've got the wedge shape I was after. Have we worked out what it is yet? Now, side bulged slightly. It must be where I was putting pressure on with the ducks. But don't they look great? I'm not too bothered about that. If I did it again, I'd probably put some sort of support in the sides of it, because this is really, that mould was really not meant for resin. So we've got a nice thin wedge at this end. I hope that's thin enough. Now, the ducks are standing proud slightly this side. Doesn't matter, because that's going to be the bottom. Have you worked out what it is yet? I bet some of you worked it out straight off, didn't you? Anyway, I've got some little rubber bumper stickers, and I've got some square ones actually this time. I usually use round ones. Oops. So I'm going to put the bigger square ones on this end, because I don't want that end to be any thicker. I think I'm just going to put the smaller ones on this, the small round ones on this end. So that's a little bit odd. Maybe I should have put round ones this end too. I don't know. It's the bottom anyway. And these are just to stop it sliding when it's doing its job. Have I built up the mystery yet? I bet a whole load of you are looking at it and going, it's just a one of those. But for those who aren't, I'm not letting on. Right, I will take you to where it's going to do its job and show you. So welcome to my bathroom floor. And this door bangs in the summer when we've got all the windows open and there's air going through. So now we have a doorstop. Mystery solved. Did any of you guess? What? Tell me down below, what point did you guess what it was? Anyway, there we go. We have a bathroom doorstop full of ducks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you thought it was a bit of fun and also something useful to make. So I'll see you for the next video, and if you drop me a like on this one and put some comments in to let me know what you think of it. Yeah, has it inspired you to make something as useful and simple as this with a load of random things you've got kicking around? I'd like to know what ideas it gave you. I'll see you for the next video, everyone. Bye.